Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to edit your WordPress website using Cpanel. So if you haven't liked this video, make sure to like and please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So just log into your Cpanel, and in the Cpanel look for File Manager. Under Files, select File Manager, and in File Manager go to public_html. This is where you'll have all the files pertaining to your website, and under public_html just open this folder WP content and go to themes. And an important point to note here is if you have multiple themes installed, make sure to check which one is active, because you can only apply this settings to the theme that is active. So currently I only have one theme, which is 2024. So I only have one folder, so I'll select this folder, and under the active theme, whichever that is installed and activated on your website, you have to edit this file, which is functions.php. Just select this file and click on edit button here, and click on edit again. So before you edit, make sure to always have a backup. Just right click and download a copy, because once you make a change, or if the syntax or the code is incorrect, that will completely crash your website and it will be very difficult for you to understand what happened. So always have a backup of this file. So I'll click on this file and select edit, click on edit again, and now this will allow me to edit and add the custom code. So always make sure to add the custom code at the bottom, and once you have added your custom code and all the settings that you want to make change, and then click on save changes. And once you make these changes, your settings will be applied to your website without having to access the WordPress dashboard. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.